student Ayush Mehta lives in Ahmedabad and believes Narendra Modi is like his favorite filmy character Chulbul Pandey, played by actor Salman Khan in the Bollywood blockbuster Dabangg.
He has that personality in him that attracts people of my age, the students of my age, the people of my age, the teenagers. What they like is they follow Salman Khan and so and so. I've never seen people of my age following a politician.
If Ayush is a fan of Narendra Modi's tough guy act, his friend Nisheth is sold on the CM's views on the art of living.
नरेंद्र मोदी को मैंने फेसबुक पे लाइक किया है उनका पेज, और वो जो शेयर्स वगैरह थॉट्स शेयर करते हैं फेसबुक पे, उसी को मैं रीड करता हूँ और उससे भी मुझे कई प्रेरणा मिलती है। उन्होंने स्वामी विवेकानंद का एक आर्टिकल शेयर किया था, उसमें साफली हम जान पाते हैं कि जो वेस्टर्न कल्चर्स के जो ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल है, फूड स्टाइल है वगैरह को हम इतना ज़्यादा एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि तरक्की करनी है तो हमें हमारा एनवायरनमेंट ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
उसको आपने अपनी निजी ज़िंदगी में कुछ अभी से कुछ उसमें लाना शुरू किया है कि
नहीं, एग्जैक्टली तो इतना पॉसिबल भी नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी मैं तो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो क्या है कि कॉलेज में फिर सब लोग बोलते हैं कि गुज्जू आया, देसी आया।
This group of college-going friends and first-time voters are regular followers of Narendra Modi on Facebook and Twitter and frequently log on to namoleague.com, the social networking web portal created by his admirers to stay in touch with their favorite icon. So what makes Narendra Modi such a hit with young people? Devang Nanavati, a lawyer and Modi loyalist, believe is the Chief Minister's ease with new technology, which makes him the man of the moment.
Mr. Modi is very, very technology savvy. He introduced information technology in governance, e-governance. He himself connects a lot with Facebook, with Twitter, which youngsters identify a lot. They feel that they are talking to him directly, they are responding to him directly, they are getting messages from him respondingly. I mean, if you have Narendra Modi on your Facebook as a friend, you will see that virtually every day, may it be a quote from Vivekananda or may it be one of the achievements of the Gujarat government, something comes from his side, which the youth love it.
But to a large section of the young and upwardly mobile entrepreneurs and professionals, Modi was already a hero. After he invoked the notion of Gujarati Asmita or pride to attack anyone who asked uncomfortable questions about the post-Godhra riots. He shared their feeling of victimhood and understood their need to reinvent themselves. In the last decade, Modi gave Gujarat a masculine image of itself, in which Mahatma Gandhi was put in a temple and Vallabhbhai Patel on a pedestal, along with their message of non-violence, reconciliation and compromise. The stage was now set for the rise of a new son of the soil.
Till this time, Gujarat always was very proud when it came to industrial or business achievements. It related to Mahatma Gandhi as being the son of the soil of Gujarat, the Sardar Patel being the son of the soil of Gujarat. But then it ended there. Despite contributing so much to the national character, to the in terms of industry, in terms of development, in every field of life, from culture, from arts, from business people, from industrialists, from leaders in every field, Gujaratis never got that sense of recognition politically, if you were to put it. Mr. Modi, for the first time on the political space of India, was able to bring the sense of Gujarati pride out in every Gujarati.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.